So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and but thank God for the journey. I need your loving, so fresh, so clean. Love me in and out. I'm feeling lean. And I'll be gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off the bill?
Hello, Habibis! Welcome and welcome back to another YouTube video. This intro has taken me a while, right? But I hope you've enjoyed just the beginning. Okay, welcome and welcome to this YouTube video. We are in Seychelles, and it's the first day. It's the first day, a full day, because yesterday was half day. So it's today is a full day in Seychelles, and this is where I'm staying. I'm staying in Eden Island in a town house, a bloody townhouse. Oh my goodness! Like you have your own cart, like how do you call it, cart or buggy or whatever you can call it. And we have like upstairs, and we have two-bedroom. I want to show you guys the how do we call it, house tour, because this is ain't true. Can you tell I'm so excited? So, welcome to Mises 8, something Mises 8, and our stay for Seychelles for the next 3 days because we are going to another island after this. Oh my goodness! Okay, let's go. So, you come in, come in, come in, come in. So, this is the store. Actually, this is the store. We don't know what is going on inside, and to be honest, I don't know what is going on, and I don't want to know. Then this is the cart. I'm driving this car because this place is very huge, and you need a cart because walking, you get tired. So got this, and then we come in. So I'll take over the camera so that I can video without you guys seeing me. But this is just but the beginning. Okay, so when you come in, you first come into this side where I don't know what's going on, but here I am. So there's like this gun fishing because I mean, it's Seychelles, and then we have this, I don't know, it's closed, and then we have like a washroom. I think this is like the guest washroom. This is the first washroom, and then we have the living room. Oh my god, I love it, and a huge TV. Love it for me. Love the picture. I mean, it's giving what it's supposed to be giving. It's giving Seychelles. And you know, this house is actually meant for it's meant for a big family because that's for a child. But who said people cannot enjoy in life? Who said people cannot enjoy? Me, I'm here with my significant one. We are just two people and we are enjoying. So this is the dining. Can you see the dining? How huge it is? It's like very huge. This is probably where I'm gonna work and probably outside as well. Oh my god, there's outside. And then there's the kitchen. The kitchen has absolutely everything that you ever dreamed of. Oh my goodness. Everything. So there's a washer, there's a dryer, there's a cooker, there's an electric cooker, there's a dishwasher which was actually on. Yes, I'm washing dishes right now, which I used for dinner and breakfast. And then this is the fridge. Haven't bought a lot of stuff, but yeah. Then so many mirrors. Love it for me. Okay, period. So let's go upstairs. So on upstairs, you come this way. More pictures of sailing team, and there's this certain window right here. I love it. Oh my goodness! And more stairs. So once you come upstairs, there are actually two rooms. This one and this one. So preferably this one is for um kids, and this is the main ones, right? So by the way, today is the next morning, so it's not aesthetically pleasing. Come on now. This is where we decided we want to put all our luggage like just everywhere and do our changing stuff here. Has a bathroom. Really, I like the bathroom actually. Really like the bathroom. It's like an open bathroom, but this one they decided to just put it there. But it's an open bathroom. So that's the bathroom I'm talking about. And another toilet. And remember, oof, is that not beautiful? Oof, very beautiful. We didn't close this window last night, but yeah. And the wardrobes are right here. To be honest, this is not the most important one. There's a balcony that connects to both rooms, so we'll use the other room. More mirrors, more mirrors, more mirrors, more mirrors. So this is the main bedroom. Love it for me, love it for me, love it for me. This is the open bathroom I was talking about. Can you see that? Like when I shower, they can see me. And then there's the bathtub right there, and sink his and hers. Yes, and another washroom area. And we got this whole setup here. And funny enough, we have another TV. I mean, I feel like it's a resort, but it's not a resort. Imagine, guys, it's not like these people are very smart. So we've got a balcony at the top on this side. So you remember the room that was here? It's connected. The balcony is connected here. So this is the balcony, and the view of the place is this so it's like a marina kind of vibe, yachts, and yeah, we've got pool. I'm coming there. We got a pool, guys. We got a pool. Like what? And no, we are not sharing this pool. This is our pool. Yes. So yeah. Okay, guys, I already came downstairs. So downstairs, we also have another place here. I think this is for chilling and barbecuing because we have a barbecue. Love, love, love. We had breakfast here in the morning today, the first morning, and this was our view while we're having breakfast and the pool. Yes, this pool is just for us. No sharing, nothing. Yeah, I just love it for me. Like it's giving what it's supposed to be giving. Like what? 10 over 10 minus nothing. You know why I like Seychelles? It's a very green. Yes, I love the Maldives, but Seychelles is more greener and more beautiful. I mean, like the colors are just different, more of like nature wise. Yeah. Otherwise, guys, that was the small house tour. I hope I don't fall. That was a small house tour. Um, so today's plan is actually playing paddle because we booked a paddle. I'm gonna show you the area. I think you saw it yesterday. Also, a little bit in the beginning. For at night, I kind of was going around and around. So we are gonna play paddle. Then we're gonna go to one of the beaches around here, and then we are going to go to the city and tour the city. All right. And yeah, I'm gonna take you with me. So see you in a few. Let me go and change and then go for paddling.
Spectacular photo, keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. Yeah, falling on it, man. Me up a top cut for the dirty, the earning, the just to the plus. Yeah. My gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall from my burden. But it was for the friends that take off the road. One time, kids sit down in a class, so important. All this in the road, and me go on with it, go on with it. Just so blessings upon me. And send me to tell you my story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the job. I'm in the light. You know, some of us are ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a boss. Blessings all for my life, man. But I'm good for the journey, the earnings, the dust to the clocks.
Guys, I mean, am I not in paradise? I'm in paradise. This is such paradisic, paradisic, something like that. Oh, it's such beauty. It is beautiful, I'm telling you. Wow, just look. I'm in one of the beaches. It is gorgeous. Relaxing. Well, hello guys. Now I am mixing these video footages. I'm even thinking that it's gonna be crazy because I'm using my phone and the camera as well. But anyway, I'm gonna do it anyway. Oh my god, can you hear the plane? Jeez. Okay, we can hear you. Anyway, I don't know if you can see me now. Anyway guys, showered, fresh, feeling great. Around 2 p.m. perhaps, off to Victoria the city. We want to go and tour, and then also lunch, and then buy some grocery because tomorrow we want to do some barbecuing. So yeah, that's it for today, to be honest. But let's go to Victoria, and we are going with a bus because my country, Kenya, didn't give me a card because they wanted to be bribed. I don't care. Anyway, yeah. So let's go.
Came back to let you know. Gotta thank you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they can dream of. What you won't do.
Well, as I had said earlier, we are going to Victoria City, and we are currently crossing the bridge. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. I wish y'all knew. So yeah, we are walking. Some exercise. At least I'm gonna lose some weight. Cause some people were. Yeah.
What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. You in my world, only you make me do for love what I would not do.
Hello Habibis, it's Nanji from the future. I know the tan is tanned, like look at my lips, dark as hell. Anyway, I realized that this video actually I didn't record afterwards. Okay, so I was in town. Yes, I got ice cream, and then it was chaotic after that. It was chaotic. I couldn't record, and I know myself. When I'm tired, I cannot record. Like the recording stops. I cannot handle everything. So we literally walked in the city for the last like 30 minutes. I was exhausted. I was tired. I just didn't want anything to do with recording. I didn't want anything to do with social media. Like I was just extremely tired. So after that, we went back to the house, chilled. It was our was it our barbecue day? I'm not even sure. No, it was not our barbecue day. The barbecue day was the next day. So that day we just rested, ate food, and literally slept early. Like it was such a chill day. Y'all don't even understand. Like it was really like a chill day. Now I remember very well. It was literally a chill kind of day, but I loved every moment of it. And Seychelles is really beautiful. Seychelles is beautiful, and you know what's funny? It's in Africa, but the people really looked different. Like they looked mixed, Africans, Europeans. So they really had this nice hair, lighter skin, and all that. Like the city was just amazing. It's the smallest city, I think, in Africa, probably in the world. I'm not sure, but it was amazing. So guys, I hope you actually did enjoy this video. I'm gonna end this video today right here because tomorrow it's Vlogmas. It's Vlogmas all this the whole season. So I want to end this video here so that tomorrow you stay tuned. I want you to turn on the notifications bell, subscribe. We are road to 6,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for all the support. To be honest, a person who is not even known, like I built everything from scratch literally without being known, is amazing. To actually even get to 5,000, like 5,000 people are watching me. Do you know that is the number of a stadium? Anyway, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and definitely share. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.